This is very short video. Save your time. Just 2 setup process, 1 Java setup, 2 Android Studio setup. How to download and install the Java JDK, I will show you. Go to the official Oracle Java downloads page from your favorite web browser. Choose the most recent version of Java JDK and download the x64 MSI installer under the Windows tab. Open the file you've just downloaded from the Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest Java JDK. Now that you've successfully installed JDK, you need to set up a Java environment so that Android Studio can easily find the location of Java on your desktop. After installation, check Java is working on your PC. Setting up the Java environment. Open Windows Search and type Edit Environment Variables. Hit the Enter key to open the Environment Variables window. Now, under the System Variables section, click Path greater than Edit greater than New. Copy the path of the folder where the JDK binaries are installed. For example, in our case, the path is c:\program files /java /jdk 18.0.1.1 bin. Switch to the Environment Variables window and paste the path you've copied and save the changes. Next, under the User Variables section, click New. Add path_home in the variable name box and c:\program files /java /jdk 18.0.1.1 in the variable value box. Finally, save the changes by clicking OK. Now we are going to download Android Studio. Visit the Android developer's official website and click on Download Android Studio. Click Download. Which method do you love? Now, open the downloaded file to install Android Studio. Further, click Install and wait while Android Studio is being installed on your PC. Click Next to continue installing Android Studio. You should use SSD storage when working with Android Studio to get better performance and faster processing. Once done, click Finish to close the installer and start Android Studio. Android Studio will now ask you to import settings. Click OK to continue to set up Android Studio. In the Setup Wizard window, select the standard option to apply the recommended settings and click Next. Next, select a theme you want and click Next again to verify the settings you've configured. On the following screen, select Accept and click Finish to apply the changes. Wait till the Setup Wizard downloads some required files. It may take somewhere around 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your network speed. Once the download is completed, Click Finish to complete the setup process. If it gets stuck while downloading, it's because of either high CPU usage or interruption in downloading. This is why you must close all the programs that may consume the internet or are still running in the background. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows-related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.